Hey everyone, if you're looking for ways to mount your phone in your car to use it as a GPS when you're driving, look no further than this awesome car phone mount by VANMASS. What I really like about this particular phone mount is that right out of the box, you get a lot of options to mount your phone. Some people like to mount it on their dashboard, some people want to mount it on their windshield, some people want to use their air vents to hold their phone in. Right out of the box, you get mounting options for all of those three placements. The actual mounting system is really simple and straightforward with no motors or electricity needed, unlike some other phone mounts. This is a very straightforward, easy to use phone mount that has the key features that you're looking for. For example, it has some nice rubber grips on the sides and the bottom of the clamping so that it will not scratch up your phone and will also securely hold your phone in place. On the bottom of the clamp, you can see they took into consideration a sufficient amount of space for you to plug in cables if you wanted to charge your phone while you were driving. And it's very simple and straightforward to clamp your phone and unclamp it using only one hand operation. You can see here, there's a button on the back of the clamp that you just press to release your phone in a slow and safe manner. Setup and installation is very straightforward. You can follow the instruction guide that's included right out of the box. It comes in several different languages and plenty of pictures for those of you who are more visual learners. Basically, you just need to attach the clamp to the mounting system of your choice via this ball and screw system. The ball joint mechanism allows you to rotate the clamp in multiple angles and also tilt it back and forth. So it gives you almost an infinite number of angles that you can use this for. The method in which the clamp secures the mounting system is the same for both the dashboard windshield mount and also the vent mount. So for the vent mount, to secure the mounting system to your vent of your car, there's this little lever here that you will have to press 180 degrees down. So once you have the secure location you want to put it on your vent, you go ahead and flip that switch completely over and then it will lock in place. If you prefer to mount it on your windshield or on your dashboard, you would use this longer levering arm mount you can see here that has several pivoting points and also an extension point to make it longer or shorter depending on your needs. It has a very strong suction cup that's able to securely adhere to a very smooth surface, and I'll be putting some recommendations directly from the manufacturer on using the dashboard mount in the description so you can make sure you have a nice, good, secure mount. So windshield mounting is very simple. Once you lock in the location you want to place the suction cup, press that lever down to adhere it to the surface. For dashboard mounting, this will vary per car make, of course, because not all dashboards would be smooth enough where the suction cup can have its maximum hold, and that's where this little disc comes in. I do appreciate that the manufacturer includes this right out of the box. I have reviewed quite a few of these dashboard mounts, and this is probably the first time that I've seen it included in the box. So you can see the little disc to use. One side has the sticky surface that you would stick onto the dashboard itself. The other side is a nice smooth surface, optimal for using the suction cup. So once you secure it to the dashboard, you just need to take the actual phone mount and secure it onto that disc using that lever. Once you locked in your mount's position, then you're good to go. You just need to insert your phone, secure the side clamps, and then put it in the optimal viewing angle that you want. And if you want to release the phone, just press the button on the back and you're all set. The construction is primarily made out of plastic, but with metal joints for reinforcement. But even so, it's not an eyesore by any means. It's mostly black, so it'll blend in with most car interiors, but it still has a little bit of a design flair with the inside of the clamp looking like carbon fiber. So this really is the ideal car phone mount I can really recommend to pretty much anybody because of this great construction, the various mounting options that you get right out of the box, not to mention the very reasonable price. And for you special Skyforce 95 viewers, I will have a promo code for a limited time in the description that you can use if you want to purchase this, as well as of course the product link in the description.